Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video with your girl Nat. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this giant chocolate chip cookie cake. So if you're interested in the video, please hit a like on your way in, and also if you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button with the post notification bell so you don't miss out on another one of my videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to be using some baking soda, and I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we'll be using a half a teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to mix our dry ingredients together and make sure you get everything well incorporated. Now in a separate bowl, we're going to be using 1 cup of softened butter, which is usually 2 sticks of butter. And we're using unsalted. And if you use salted butter, you want to make sure you cut down on the salt that you add to your ingredients. Now we're just going to whisk our butter till it gets softened. Adding a little air to it makes a difference. Now to my butter, we're going to add 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar, and now we're going to give everything a good whisk. Now we're going to be using 2 large eggs, cracking 1 at a time to make sure you mix it well. Now we're going to be adding about 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract to our mixture. I'm going to blend, blend, blend. Now we're going to combine our dry ingredients with our wet ingredients. Now we're going to combine everything until it gets to a nice dough form. Now I'm just going in with my spoon. And I'm going to make sure I got all the edges. And if you're a baker, you know. Now the chocolate chips I like to use is the Gardelli semi-sweets. I don't know, it's something about these chocolate chips that make my cookies just come out so good. So I'm going to go in with about 2 cups of chocolate chips. Now we're going to give everything a nice mix. Now I'm using a pizza pan, which I sprayed down with some Pam, and I'm just going to be scooping some chocolate chip cookie dough onto my pan. Now I'm going in with some parchment paper, and I'm going to just flatten this out till I get the desired shape. Now we're just going to put this in the oven for about 25 minutes and I'll be right back to y'all. So now that I took it out the oven, I'm going to go ahead and top it off with some marshmallow bits. And this was requested by my kids. Like, they wanted marshmallows and extra chocolate on top, so I figured I'd do it for them. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video with me. I really do appreciate you guys coming back every week and subscribing and telling y'all friends to come over. I really appreciate all the support. Until next time, peace.